To get started, press and hold the power button to turn on the device. To access the menu, press and hold both buttons simultaneously. Use the left and right buttons to navigate through the menu. To make a selection, hold down the right button. Select Bump Test. Then choose Multi-Bump. Follow the prompt to start zeroing the device and wait for it to complete. Attach the gas cap and turn on the gas supply. If successful, the device will flash green. If it fails, it will show a red indicator and prompt for calibration. Turn off the gas and remove the gas cap, then wait for the device to return to 0.